Are you an affiliate marketer who has been struggling to generate leads and make sales? Worry no more, the perfect solution is here. It is the 12-minute affiliate system. This is a step-by-step system that will help you start and grow a successful affiliate marketing system. It is a plug-and-play system that finally makes affiliate marketing as easy as it has always been promised to be. It can be activated in as little as 12 short minutes. It is as easy as ordering a pizza, only that instead of ordering a pizza, you will be ordering website visitors. And instead of the order coming to your house, the website visitors are delivered to an automated system that does all the selling for you. 1. Personalize the system, so that all the commissions go to you. 2. Order your website visitors. 3. Let the system follow up with leads for you automatically, so that you can earn commissions when people buy products that you didn't even have to create yourself. If you order website visitors and send them to a product you want them to buy, there is a high probability that they will not buy the first time. The solution is to make sure that when you order website visitors, you don't have just one chance to sell to them. Instead, you have hundreds of chances to sell. An average person must see an offer about 10 times before they buy, so if you only have one opportunity to sell to somebody, you will fail every time. But if you have several chances to get your affiliate products in front of them at virtually zero extra cost to you, then you have increased your chances of pocketing those easy affiliate commissions. So the solution is to order your website visitors and send them to a system that first captures their information and then sells multiple different affiliate products to them automatically even while you are sleeping. Get this system today, and increase your chances of earning those easy affiliate commissions. To get the system, click the link in the description of this video.